So here is our situation right now. So ganyan lang muna. Paggabi or morning na nanonood kami ng TV, naglalatag ako nung yun. It's this one. Yan, yung makapal na kumot, nilalatag ko dyan kasi medyo malamig yung floor. So yan, pag ganyan lang muna ang panonood ng TV. Pero ayun nga, again, thank you Ate Jing for the TV and the couch na parating na. By November or December daw, I think we are going to use those two heaters yun eh. So, kasi magtataglamig na nga. I forgot to mention that we also bought these sheer curtains. Actually, hindi pala siya sheer. Not so sheer, pero wet. Parang ganyan yung datingan niya. Ayan, so it comes in a pair. So I need 4 panels. So dalawa yung binili ko. It's for our window here. Ayan, so as you can see, kitang-kita kami. Kitang-kita kami sa labas. So nagpaalam ako na lalagyan ko na lang ng parang privacy tent yung sa glass window para nga kita namin yung sa labas pero hindi kami kita dito sa loob, ganon. Pero I think meron daw rule yung HOA or Home Owners Association, something ganon dito. And tinitignan ko rin yung mga kapitbahay namin, walang ni isang merong tint or any covering na nakadikit din sa glass window. So I'm not sure kung pwede siya. So we just decided to get a different curtain na lang. Kasi itong curtain na kinabit ng parents ko, I think my cousin got them for us din. Okay naman siya, pero pag morning kasi super dark dito sa area namin. So, medyo magastos na naka-on yung lights namin even sa morning. So, ayan, I decided na papalitan ko na lang siya ng medyo white curtains para kahit paano maliwanag pa rin. We don't need to use the light. And then, ayan, pag inopen ko yung screen door, malamig na. So, we don't need to use the fan, especially sa early morning and sa night. Actually, ngayong hapon, kahit wala kaming fan, hindi ganun kainit eh. So, yeah, I'm going to change this one now. Tatry ko kung ano itsura. Hopefully, mas okay siya. And just in case na it's too see-through gano'n, or masyado pa rin kaming kita dun sa white curtains, ibabalik ko na lang siguro tong other curtain na to. Look at my neighbor's cat. Ang cute-cute. Everyday silang nakaupo dyan. So I just changed the curtains. I'm not actually sure if it looks better. Pero at least it's not that dark. It's not as dark pag yung old ones yung gamit ko. But let's see how I like it in the next few days. Parang I'm not sure about it yet. Parang hindi ko masyadong bet yung pattern. Akala ko mukhang maganda. Maganda kasi doon sa picture, pero I'm not too sure. Pero ayun nga, ang habol ko lang naman is it's not too dark kahit pag naka-close yung curtains. We'll see. We'll see in the next few days. I'm keeping it for now. So kaka-install lang today ng washer and dryer namin. 2-in-1 na daw to. Pero parang hindi ko siya alam gamitin. I tried yung normal cycle lang. Yung usual pag nagwa-washing machine. Pero pag check ko ng first load ko kanina, natapos siya pero moist pa rin yung mga damit. Medyo wet pa siya. Hindi siya dry. Tapos trinay kong mag-dry lang. Pero parang 3 hours yung lumalabas. Ganun. So I'm not sure if I'm doing it right. And then now, trinay ko yung wash and dry. Ito, wash and dry. And then, I think 5 hours, ganun. I'm not so sure. Parang ang tagal naman yata masyado. Pero, ayun, yung second load ko yun. Trinay ko lang. I'm still learning how to use this one. Sana maging okay. Kasi yung sa first load namin, after kung i-try i-dry lang, yung ito lang, waterless, dry, nag-shrink yung socks namin. So hopefully, wash and dry is okay. Sana pagkatapos niya, as in yung dry na siya. Another thing na kailangan ko pang pag-aralan how to use is this dishwasher. So, actually, ayoko siyang gamitin kasi tatatlo lang naman kami. So, feeling ko mas magastos tong gamitin kaysa yung mag-hand wash lang ako. Pero sabi nila I need to use it kahit mga once a week, ganun. Siguro, syempre, para hindi masira. Pero, ayun, I'm going to buy muna yung detergent for this one. Yung soap. Hindi ko kasi sure. Pero, yeah, siguro pag weekends na lang, tatry kong i-wash na lang lahat ng ano namin dito, utensils, ganun, and plates, para lang magamit siya, hindi masira. Cute. We're back here sa park na pinuntahan namin kahapon. So, today is a little bit more sunny, mas mainit kaysa kahapon. Kasi it's around 21 degrees yata ngayon. Kahapon, mga ganitong time na nandito kami, medyo malamig na eh. Pero ngayon, carry pang hindi kami mag-jacket. Ba't si Aid? Wala masyadong naglalarong kids dito. Hindi ko alam if school time pa ba o dahil weekday. Pero, ayun, kahapon and today, ayan, silang dalawa lang. Kahapon merong konting kids, pero like around 5 lang sila. Ngayon, ayan, silang dalawa lang yung nandito. Bakit kaya? It's a great park pa naman. Parang ang gandang playground. Look at the trees. Pretty. It's a perfect day today. Perfect weather daw yung ngayon kasi maaraw. And then, malamig yung hangin. Galaw mo. Lapit daw. Gumagalaw na kasi.
to make a slingshot out of that. Do you know how?